बहुत easy नहीं है. How can you say that it's very easy to achieve a biggest target in the world? And my ambition, I'm mapping out I want to do this, I want to do that, and मुझे ये world class बनना है. उसके बाद I'm not putting in efforts and I'm going back to the home and chilling out with my friends on weekends. No, you gotta put in efforts every day. You have to have a discipline. It's very, very tough to have a discipline. Ask me, because I'm still fighting on some things on the discipline front. But that's okay. And I will win the battle because I'm working every day to get my nerves on it. And for the youth, today's youth, they have abundant energy, full of energy. They're super class. They have a super mind. They are so much fast. This is a very, very fast generation, and आप जाओ, आपको एक दिन का जोश भर देगा वो. I've met hundreds and thousands of students and the people. Even I have many aspirations in my life. I still get inspired from not many people. And the best part of that, they're very positive. They're very positive. They want to achieve. So वो एक योद्धा है. वो एक बार ठान लेते हैं ना, तो उसके बाद वो डिसीजन लेने में टाइम तो बहुत लेते हैं. जब वो एक बार ठान लेते हैं तो पीछे रुकते नहीं है, पीछे मुड़ते नहीं है, वो रुकते नहीं है, वो चलते रहते हैं. With all this improvisation, with every course of time. हम लोग तो यार छोड़ देते हैं बीच में. 2 दिन का शुरू करते हैं, 4 दिन में छोड़ देते हैं, 2 दिन में छोड़ देते हैं. एफर्ट नहीं कर पाते हम लोग कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन. रीजन इज व्हाट? बिकॉज इट्स इजी. We get a marks, we are fine. We get everything. Today you ask about a small kid has an iPhone, is fine because it's not expensive now because we are living a very 21st century life. It's so easy. But दम तभी है जब आप मेहनत करके खुद का नाम बनाते हैं. The right word is crisis. What is the biggest crisis? The crisis is not economy. The crisis is the identity. Because we all want attention at the end of the day. If you get a better attention, it's for better. There are people who do the negative things to get attention. I'm getting very sad for them. But if you put in efforts in the right direction, with the right frame of mind, you'll be recognized, trust me, in a far, far better way than anybody who's putting in efforts in the wrong direction. Today you don't get anything, you're blaming parents. My dad didn't do this, my XYZ didn't do this. What the heck have you done? Have you done anything? आपका एफर्ट्स था, आपको काम करना था, आपने वो नहीं किया. आपका एफर्ट्स था, आपने पढ़ना, आपने वो नहीं पढ़ा. इंसान को खुद से झूठ ही बोलना चाहिए. आपको लगता है आप डॉक्टर बन सकते हैं तो गो अहेड. Who's stopping you? आपको लगता है कि आप नेशनल लॉ यूनिवर्सिटी में जा सकते हो, आप बैंगलोर जा सकते हो. Who's stopping? Trust me, if you explore yourself inside out, nobody is stopping you. You yourself is the biggest, bump in your preparation, in your mind process, in your thoughts. आप उस पे काम कीजिए. Paper's gonna be cleared in any day. Once you've decided, half of the battle will be won that day, same day. अगर आपको करना है कि मैं कर लूंगा तो मुझे कोई माइकाला नहीं रोक सकता यार. और कोई रोकेगा तो मैं रुकूंगा नहीं. सिंपल है ना. कोई आकर के बोलेगा यार तू ये नहीं कर सकता है, हम उसको चैलेंज ले लेते हैं. हमें लगता है कि यार ये बोल रहा है ना कि हम नहीं कर सकते तो हम कर लेंगे इसको. But at the same time, you should not be forgetting your own ambition. Fine, the day will come, we're going to say. In fact, we should not be, half of our life we are living for showing off the people who do not care about us, or whom we don't care about. Half of the life we are living for them. You don't have to. Keep your mind very peaceful. Keep your mind very calm, if it's possible. If people come to me, I want to do this, I want to do that, really, I want to be a singer, ready, go ahead and sing a song and put it on the YouTube. You will be fine out. No, you don't need judges. People will tell you. And in case, if you feel that you're improvising every day, you're practicing, I've seen people, on the road and, practicing. People are staring at them and, they're not worried. They're not worried. That's the beauty of the efforts. That's the beauty of the ambition. It's a hardcore strength in your heart. मुझको एक वर्ल्ड क्लास XYZ बनना है, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, लॉयर, मॉडल, और a driver, or racer, or XYZ. I mean, anything you want to become. Who's stopping? Anyone? No one. Go ahead. Because performance has no equal. परफॉर्मेंस के लिए आपको करना क्या पड़ेगा? Everyday efforts. You see any top class billionaire, you see any top class cricketer, any top class superstar, I believe that कि वो ऐसे blink of an eye से नहीं बन गए हैं. They have put in efforts to everything. I heard, one day some Kohli was saying that कि रात को ऐसा दिल करता है कि चादर चबा जाए. They have so strong diet system. Today they can do anything. And we keep on thinking push-ups all the time, not doing it. It's very wrong. I mean, who thinks push-ups in fact? You gotta do it, man. In case you want to build up. Plan your plan. Have a lot of efforts ready for it. Disciplined manners. Harder you work, luckier you get. I don't know what is the otherwise the meaning of the life.